All right, so this video is quite important because it's been a digital revolution. Okay, the internet is changing, everything is changing. I'm going to ask every one of you to have a channel, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok, or an Instagram, because things are changing completely. If the days of working for a company 9 to 5 are over, okay? Robots are taking place. A lot of companies, they are trying to do whatever they can to really cut the costs and to make sure that employees are not part of the picture, because they see employees as a burden and not really an asset for the company, but most of the time a liability. And as a consumers, today you have to be aware of that. You have to be aware of the technological revolution that's going on, so that you have to change to adapt to the situation. Today, media is important. Everybody is watching. Everybody is watching their phones. Okay, videos. We consume videos every day, billions of views. You have to have a channel. It's really important. Okay, and that brings to my next question. Why YouTube is becoming YouTube is becoming the main platform for all the video consumption. Okay, the days of watching TVs are over. YouTube killed television. That's why. So in this video, I want to say how YouTube killed television, killed TV. Okay. Before we used to have you have a subscription. You have a lot of channels. You pay monthly fee. But today, nobody needs that. A lot of the companies, they have their own channel on YouTube. YouTube, it became a hub for all the companies. Everybody had their own channel on YouTube. And the TV is gone. All right? Now people are advertising on YouTube. So YouTube is becoming the main place where all the media viewing is there. If you are in the media and if you don't have a YouTube channel, I mean, that's a very short-sighted of you, because YouTube is basically killed television. And everyone should have a YouTube channel or in TikTok, whatever media that you can get on. You can get on, and so that at least you have a sense of, if you have something to provide, or skills, or you want to teach people, or entertainment, or educational video, so that you can present to people. Maybe by doing that, you'll be able to attain some sort of monetary success, because you cannot rely on a job anymore. All right, so I wanted to bring this attention to people, because how the media landscape is completely changing, and it's important that everyone really jump on the wagon to create a YouTube channel, because that's where everything is going. The media is, the days of working in a factory are over. So you might as well create your own content, okay, and hopefully that it will be sustainable. I don't know. Hopefully you'll be able to improve it and create a nicer content, and then probably it turns out into something better and more entertaining. So these are my few thoughts. I may have missed some of them. If you have a different perspective on this topic, you can leave a comment. Thank you.